Hello, this is Liza Morse with the Vermont Center for Ecostudies, and in this video I'm going to show you how to submit your observations for the Vermont Vernal Pool Monitoring Project in iNaturalist. If you haven't already created an iNaturalist account, you should do that, and then go to iNaturalist.org to log in and submit your observations. So we clicked on login, and that took us to the login page. Enter your username and password, and you'll be taken to your home page. If you've signed up to become a vernal pool monitor, you will receive an invitation to the iNaturalist project, Vermont Vernal Pool Monitoring Project. In your home screen, it'll appear as an invitation, and you should click Join this project in order to join. Once you've clicked that, you're a part of the iNaturalist project, and you can then click over to the project page to add your observation. You can also navigate to the page by clicking on the drop-down menu and clicking in Search Projects, and you can find Vermont Vernal Pool Monitoring Project. So that's another way to get there. You'll see a banner which says Add Observations. If you click on Add Observations, that will take you over to a page to add your observations. Now this is where you're going to add your observations from your egg mass and macroinvertebrate surveys, as well as document any spermatophores or evidence of amphibian diseases you may find. To illustrate the submission process, we're going to go through the steps with an example egg mass survey observation. First, we want to enter what we saw. Since we are submitting an observation for our count of Jefferson salamander egg masses that we took during our overall survey of egg masses, we're going to enter Jefferson salamander. Then we're going to enter the date and time. We'll use today's date and time. Then you want to enter the latitude and longitude of the vernal pool that you are monitoring in decimal degrees. Then you want to upload your photo. So under Add Media, you're going to select one or more photos by clicking Choose Files. I'm going to click on your photo and click Open. Then you're going to scroll down and enter your vernal pool's ID code. And since this is an egg mass survey, an egg mass count, you're going to enter the number of egg masses you counted into the egg mass field. Now, if you are surveying for caddisflies, for fairy shrimp, noting the presence of amphibian disease or noting the presence of spermatophores, you would enter something else into what did you see. But today, we're just going through the egg mass example. If during your egg mass survey you document egg masses from more than one species, the egg mass counts for each species should be entered as separate observation under iNaturalist. So once you have all of that information in, you're going to click Save Observation. And that will upload the observation to the project as well as your own personal iNaturalist page. It may take a second to load, but then you'll see your observation. Now, if you messed up for any reason or you need to add more information, you can always click Edit and return to the observation page. Make any changes you may need to make, and then click Save Observation again. So now you know the steps to submit an observation on the online portal for iNaturalist to the Vermont Vernal Pool Monitoring Project. For more information, head to our website at vtecostudies.org under Projects, Vernal Pool Conservation, and Vermont Vernal Pool Monitoring Project.